Hello, hello Ayush.
Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Uh, are you
So,
from Uttar Pradesh, right?
yes, I think you are also from UP, Haryana.
Yeah, yeah, I'm from Haryana.
Okay. So, tell me, right now you are pursuing your BTech. In which year currently you are in?
I'm in the final year of BTech,
Which semester?
8th SEM.
Okay.
Okay.
Which college?
Gurugram University.
Gurugram University. I have never ever heard about this university. Is it
Okay.
is it a private university
No,
or
no, it's a state university in NCR region.
okay?
And what about
So
you, bro?
I am working in an MNC company.
Okay, which company?
There are many companies you have also seen there in Noida. So Mark, my company name is Emphasis. Have you?
MFS.
Yeah, Emphasis. Like other companies you have heard about TCS, Wipro, Accenture.
Okay, okay. And which type of role in this company you are doing?
Role.
Yeah,
Role,
means your field in which you are working.
it's a support role. Let's say there is a sales team, okay? So
Okay,
I am into this pre-sales domain where I am supporting the sales team directly.
okay.
So how is your placement season is going on?
Some companies visited my campus, and I am seated for the interview. But uh,
Okay,
but our university is not so older. That's why few companies are uh, coming in our campus.
okay. So what skills you have
Uh,
added in your resume?
yeah, I have the network engineer or a app developer. I have the
Okay.
knowledge of
Knowledge of port.
both technology like networking as well as development.
So, could you please tell me something about this network engineering?
Like network engineering is that you can check you have how a computer works, and if there is a problem in a networking while in office, you can check what why this problem is happening, and you can solve that problem. And about the software installation in your computers and how actually computer works. This type
Okay.
of uh, comes under network engineering.
So, do you have any practical experience with this network engineering or just the theoretical part you are aware of?
Uh, I have the some practical experience, like I have not the specific lab for doing the practical. I just perform basic practicals on my laptop, like how a
Okay.
message is transferred from one laptop to another laptop without wired connection, and
It is, but this particular system is called encryption,
yeah, yeah,
or
encryption
you
is.
can say our message is encrypted.
Yeah, encryption is came under the cyber security. Like there is a first of all we had the three levels in which first at first level have the basic knowledge of the fundamental. After that we are doing practicals like sharing files, and third level is securing how the network is secure,
Okay.
like how firewall works. So I am the basic level and have some practical knowledge.
Okay. Okay. So, do you know something about servers, cloud,
Yeah, yeah.
supply, port?
Yes, as a network engineer, server is the most important part because for example, in a company, you want to connect all the computer and collect data and control all computers. So there is a need of the server. So server
Okay.
play an important role.
But, sir, you are saying you have, let's say, and there is a library. In that library, there are 10 computers. So, you need one computer so that you can uh, have a network with all these 10 computers, or you can operate with this one computer. How I
Yes.
can say,
Uh, it's a practical thing
with
like
this one computer you are able to operate 10
y-
computers. It's
yeah,
like a
yeah.
server.
No, there is only one server in a company
Okay.
which control all the computer. For example, I am the manager and I have the access of the server.
Okay.
So according to me, all computers are working, and whatever the client, like they are the different computers, and I can provide the operating system and the authentication, like password and username according to me.
Okay.
Yes. Or those the client working on that computer share data with me.
But that big companies like Google, Netflix, all these big companies have their servers in different countries or in hands of different clients, because on their behalf they are managing their servers, not
Yeah,
they are directly managing their servers
yeah. Like
by renting their own space, buying their own servers. They are renting this particular service called cloud computing.
first of all, you should know the knowledge of the networking. Like networking are the different type. Networking has the different type. That networking
Okay.
you are talking is remote networking. Like
Okay.
I'm using the chat GPT and server is not present in near me. Server it may be in another country or maybe in India or another state.
Okay.
So this communication is through wireless communication, that is remote communication. But here I am I'm giving an example of the company and it is a wired connection, like
Okay.
Ethernet,
So you are not
like local area
referring
networking.
to so you are referring to a wire based connection type network, not
Yeah,
wireless
I'm not
connection
currently working on
network.
wireless, but after few days I will move toward the wireless networking.
But if you have to make
But
your career in
I'm not saying that I have not knowledge of the wireless networking. But I can share some files and how can manage wirelessly. I have the basic knowledge of it.
okay, so why are you not looking for these particular courses or certifications related to networking to have your future career in this domain, like CCNA,
Yes,
MSCNA, something like that?
I'm searching on the website about the CCNA course, and I think it is an important basic course for the networking. Uh, I have I have learning about the networking by using the ChatGPT and YouTube.
The chat GPT is not giving you the practical knowledge. Chat GPT, in a way, is giving you mid theoretical knowledge, which you will forget after some time.
Yeah, but if you have not proper lab for practical knowledge, and you have not the hardwares, because I have only one computer, so how I can do all the practical is not possible now. Uh, for the practical, I need a lab or another hardware devices. But if you have a practical knowledge for clearing interview, I think it's good.
Okay, okay,
When you will go for a internship or a job role, they first of all they will telling you something like how the actually work in a practical way. When
okay,
you have the theoretical knowledge of it, and it is easy for you working on the hardware.
okay. And what about English? Why are you here on this platform?
Because I am here for improving English speaking, like fluency.
Okay. Like the last interview you have given, is there any difficulties or uh, is there any difficulties you have faced regarding English?
No, no, I
So,
have not faced. I think I had last interview I gave it virtually,
okay,
so it is easy for me for speaking English, because when you are talking with the person, if he is seated in front of you, it is you feel you can be nervous sometime. But virtually this type there is no problem.
okay, okay. So, do you know any particular or specific programming language as you have
Yeah,
done
yeah.
BTech?
I know about the Java and the basic Python. Not I know the syntax of the Python and C, and I also done data structure and algorithm in Java language.
So, okay.
Do you know about the data structure and algorithm?
Data structure and algorithms covers the advanced part of programming language. You can say data structure and algorithms are the advanced thing in this programming, and with this DSA, you can do a lot of problem solving with
Yeah.
any language like C, C sharp,
Yes, yes.
Java, Python, DSA. There are many topics under DSA like linear shorting, bubble shorting.
Are you from technical background?
No, no, I have just done BCA in my graduation.
Okay, okay,
That's why I know some theoretical part from it.
okay.
So,
Um,
have you uh, made these basic programs like palindrome, Armstrong number,
yeah,
and patterns?
I have right program for this type of problems, and I also solve 150 plus problem on lead code platform.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just know the basic syntax of Java till now, like public static void main,
Yes.
public class, and there are loops in that curriculum, and there are if else conditional statements, operators, functions.
Yeah.
There's so many things, but the thing is, after I reached DSA, I left doing programming. Just after my BCA, I had chose MBA over MCA. That's why.
Okay. Can you tell me actually how this, as you are a sales manager, right?
No, I am not a sales manager. I am also a fresher, you can say.
Okay. Okay, fresher. How much time you spent in a company, like 1 month, 2 months?
1 month.
1 month. How's your experience?
During my MBA, I have worked there in my local city for 6 months at a solar company. Okay.
Okay.
Then I had left that particular company and made the transition into this MNC company. So you know that it is a complete corporate type of company, like US based MNC company. So obviously we have to work for the international clients rather than domestic Indian clients. So the challenge is we have to totally speak in English with our peers or with our managers, you can say.
Okay.
That is the problem. Let's say if you have to submit any particular document to HR, then you have to talk in English only, either orally or by writing email.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Um,
and all the discussions, meetings uh, happen here in English.
okay. Uh, I want to ask you something like, mm, how was your English before joining the MNC?
It has been 1 month, you know.
Yeah.
So right now I am just learning from different sources like Piera. The second one is by myself. Like choosing some particular vocabulary, phrases, or words, then trying using that words in my daily life, like via my sentences, or you can
Okay.
say like, let's say right now I am into a situation, so I will try use some vocabs just to have a familiarity with my tongue.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Like where are you find the vocab? Like which platform?
No, there is no such platform. You have to just do it by yourself. Don't focus on very fancy words, just simple words like
Okay.
how to talk this in past, how to talk this in imaginable situations, how to talk uh, about hypothetical past or past and future.
Oh,
And if generally you are uh, teaching somebody something, then how to what type of vocab you should use. Let's say you are from IT background, so
yeah.
you have to incorporate or indulge some technical words also in your daily English or while you are speaking to someone.
Okay.
Just practice around it. Let's say uh, just before back 30 minutes you were explaining me about network engineering. Try practice on that, like how to explain it very well, what are the keywords around that, and how I can give better examples so that uh, the other person should understand it very well.
Okay. Okay.
That's the way you will gain confidence and gradually learn with time.
Okay.
There are so many things, like could, would, should, might, must, may.
Yeah,
These
yeah.
type of things you will later be incorporating in your English, but you have to just give time to it.
Okay.
Just looking at the particular word, or let's say you said, you told me that you have learned all this particular information from chat gpt,
Yeah.
but there are so many wonderful or heavy words chat gpt have used, but you didn't even use used one word from that chat gpt here.
Yes. Because I make the if I found a word difficult or a new word in ChatGPT, I say to it like give me give me this information in simple word so that I can remember it for a long time.
But you are not even using the simple vocabulary,
Yeah.
or generally I'm talking to you. It's not in your case, it's in my case also. Let's say these particular words I have focused on, like update, provided, provide, share, and there is one more phrase, please let me know at the earliest, at your convenience, due day. And there are so many words like income, indemnify, incumbent, augment. Augment just mean adding something.
Okay.
Like these basic words you have to use in your vocabulary, like pouring, p-o-u-r-a-n-g, would, could, should, would have been, should have been, could have been, might, must, may. There are so many words.
Yes.
However, but, thereafter.
But I don't not know the correct steps or procedure where I fit these words while speaking.
No, no, you have to first do one thing. You have to first build, you have to just build your writing English.
Okay.
Let's say, imagine some situation about you, or let's say, write about your daily routine, what you have done in the morning to the until the night, you can say, and write it in your own language on a particular page. I
Okay.
know that you will write it wrong. I'm not saying it wrong, but the selection of words would be wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Just click a photo of that particular page and put it on ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, please correct it grammatically. And just after it, say, ChatGPT again, please, can you please uh, replace some simple words with better vocab, so it will do for you. Then
Oh,
just learn.
yes.
Or you can do one thing also, try speak it, try speak it loud on your own,
Okay, okay, I will do it.
and just make some notes of it, and just a daily uh, review it.
Okay, okay. I will do. I will work on it.
But the thing is, you have to be so much consistent on this part. That's the way you will be seeing you succeeding.
Okay.
Because right now I am also speaking very bad, or you can say not grammatically correct English, but still I am trying.
Yeah, your English is so good as compared to mine, I think.
Don't compare, you
I'm
have to
not
just speak.
comparing. I'm just saying like because in the environment where are you working, all people are speaking in English, and I think
No,
there
it
is a,
has been 1 month only, na.
but 1 month is more, is enough for improvement.
Yes, you are saying it correct, but I am not even at their level. The way my managers, you can say, who are from southern part of India speak.
But I think, as you know about yourself more, uh, compare yourself today and 1 month before joining the MNC.
Okay.
I think you should.
Before joining the MNC, I had no grudge, or you can say motivation to learn English. Now I am right now working in this company just for the sake of my future in this company. English is very necessary for me to learn and speak and do well in my uh, daily job. English is a necessity to me, you can say.
Yes, okay, okay. English is necessary
Just
everywhere.
before
Yeah.
a month, I was normally working in my previous Lala Types company. You There I was normally speaking in English. Oh, sorry, Hindi rather than English.
Mm. I'm also staying with my friends. Like we have a flat where we are living with three friends. Uh, we are also talking in Hindi, but sometimes I am talking with the English while interview. I think I want to speak in English, but sometimes interviewer also speak Hindi whenever they do not easily understand what the candidate want to say.
One thing you should put in your mind, that on your own, if you need much better growth for yourself, then English is very must for you in India.
Yes, yes,
So you have to raise the bar on your own. You have to develop uh, an environment on your own, rather than focusing on who is speaking uh, rather than focusing on who is not speaking. He is speaking Hindi, she is speaking Hindi. If he is not speaking in English, then leave that particular idea and let me also speak in Hindi.
okay,
Because in interviews in good companies, 100% they will expect from a fresher like you should know how to communicate or convey your thoughts better in English.
yes.
What is your age,
It's
or
21,
how old are you?
21 years.
21. I am 22.
Okay,
But still I am learning. This is just the things I have figured out uh, during this particular job, and I am just sharing it with you
okay, okay.
because this is the reality. That's why I'm sharing it with you, and I am able to say it much correctly, because this is all these are the things which I have faced out.
Yeah, bro. Thank you for sharing these type of experience.
Then let's say you have completed your BTech, so just master uh, AI in anything, like use Chat GPT or Gemini in a very efficient and effective way, so that you can be able to enhance your English very well. by using just any AI, ChatGPT or Gemini. You have to figure out how.
Yeah, I am like what is happening with me? What was happening with me today? I'm sharing the story with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give us feedback.
Okay,
Yes.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT is built like it is going to give a result 90% in your favor, just
Yeah.
rather than warning you or telling you this is the thing you are doing wrong, you should not do it like this is the way you should do it.
Like I am sharing a story. I do it too, not daily, but sometime when I have time. Like it gives only the it feedback of 2 or 5 words, not the whole story.
Okay,
Yeah.
just do one thing, open your YouTube and unsubscribe all the channels who deliver their content in Hindi. Just unsubscribe those channels and follow those who deliver their content in English.
Okay, I will.
Try this particular activity or uninstall all these things, all these apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat,
But why is Twitter?
because as if you have habit of opening it daily, then according to me or as per my knowledge, you are going to uh, see Hindi related posts more rather than English.
But it depend on you now, which type of channels you have followed.
Okay, so do not focus on what I have said so far. Just delete your Instagram or this particular software called Facebook. uh,
Yeah.
I am just transferring that particular idea to you. It's totally depend on you what you have to delete, what not you have to delete. I am just saying you have to build an English in related environment around you.
Yeah, you are right, bro. But sometimes it is important to connect with the social media. Like they will give information what is happening around you and in the world. So deleting everything, like I am agree with the deleting with the Instagram, but not with the Twitter,
Okay,
because
okay.
Twitter is the first platform where information is shared first.
Brother, just do one thing. It's very late because tomorrow is my duty. I have to
Okay,
wake
okay.
up early in the morning. I have
No
to go.
problem, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for
Okay.
talking with me
Thank
and
you.
sharing
Nice
your
to meet
experience.
you. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.